Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see 13 plus Udemy courses for free. Course number 1 is about Google Cloud Digital Cloud Leader Certification Crash Course. Course number 2 is about data structure using Python. Course number 3 is about Microsoft Excel. Here you will get all Microsoft concepts, Excel concepts in one video. You are going to learn it from basic to expert level. In this course you are going to learn how to analyze the data, learn mathematical functions and many more new things. Course number 4 is about full stack app. Course number 5 is about also full stack app, and course number 6 is also full stack web development course. Course number 8 is about creating social media content. You are going to learn how to create engaging video content with InVideo. Course number 8 is about complete video creation, video marketing and YouTube mastery. Course number 9 is about photography. This course is for beginners. Course number 10 is about learning Clubhouse app. Course number 11 is about calligraphy. Course number 12 is about a new skill where you are going to learn tricks with stick. Course number 13 is about the public speaking. You will learn in this course how to speak confidently. And our last but not least course is about 𝗕𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗲. This course is actually for free all the time. So if you want any of this course to enroll, then enroll as early as possible, as this is just limited time offers only. So thank you for watching this video.